Okay, this is the third week and first hour lecture in this time. Uh, Today I will explain for about intersection, like here. For explaining the intersection, in case of intersection, a function to make the part that intersects between the shape and the shape into a shape element, like here. And when clicking intersection, click the following two shapes, then the intersection line is extrapolated like here. I will show you this thing in the examples like here. To explain it, I will enter to the wireframe and surface design workbench and making the lines over here. For making it, I will make some curves from this one and this one and exit and extrude it for more widely from here. Okay, then and XY YZ. In the YZ plane, I will go to this point not YZ point but ZX plane like here and enter to the ZX plane and making some spline like here. Escape hit and exit to this and extrude it like here. Okay, and some line should be modified from this one and this one, not making error. Then update and I will display tools view to color. Window formula help start and visual file. And I want to graphic property. I want to change it to another color because for differentiating between point to point. And this one is okay, and this sketch on this one and exit. I want to offset it to another point, and sketch 1 and sketch 2. Sketch 3 is okay, and sketch 1 is here, and I want to remove this one and this one. I want to change it to this one, and more. I'm sorry, I will change it to this one. Sketch 1 a little bit low, like here, and okay, and I will click the intersection, this one, and the first element, this one, and second element, this one, and preview. Okay. Reference element. In case of reference element, should be make XY plane. Okay. Then intersection is made like here. Okay. I'll explain for about intersection line over here. And if we hide all component tools, hide all surface, and hide line, this one and this one between is the intersection line is generated like here. Okay, I will explain for about circle. Next one is for about, this is intersection line, and next one is for about circles, corner, connect sub toolbar. The first one is a circle. For about circle, this function is used to create a 3D circle. When click to the circle icon, then the following definition window appears. Enter the center and radius of the circle as follows. I will show you in previously explained lecture. However, I will show you once again. For making circle, I will make generate some point, 2 point like here, 100. Y distance is for 100, and circle center is selected here, and our values center and by the center is selected, and support is XY plane, and values is 100. Then circle is generated like here. And if we select, if you double click this semi-circle, and if we select circle limitation is changed from semi-circle to a circle, full circle, then it is modified. And if I select this one and this degree is 90 degree, then only this kind of arc is generated like here. And this is can be managed like. And if I select create one another point, then I will create another circle between 3 points, center and point, center and radius. Center and point is means if I select this one is a center and point is here and support is YZ direction, and select half full circle, then a center and point circle is created. And if I select a circle definition and choose from center to point to 2 points and radius, 1 point and 2 points and radius. Radius means some support is XY direction. This one and this one is if I select this one change color is changed here. If I select this one is changed to orange. Therefore, if I select this one, then this one is deleted, and the 2 point following circle is made like here. And if I select this circle and 3 point, then if I select this point, and this point, then 3 point tracing circle is generated like here. Center type, if I select center type, center and axis, then the center axis and the point and radius should be input. And if I select the circle type, should be by tangent and radius. Two kind of element tangent circle is generated and is selected. And if I select the circle type, it should be by tangent and point. Two tangent element and tracing circle point should be selected, and some circle is generated. And if I select 3 tangent circle, then 3 element 3 tangent circle should be element 1, element 2, element 3, support, element 3, support. Error should be made because this is not some this is not parallel, or error should be needed. Some good condition should be needed. Okay, by tangent and point should be if I select circle and by tangent and point, by tangent and point, support should be XY, support should be YZ, support should be Z action. Okay, it is not parallel, therefore the computer, it should be error in this point. Let me see. Next one, I will show you the for about corner. Corner is this point. If I want to explain the corner, I will make some intersection lines. Therefore, I will exit enter and some lines and some lines like here, exit and extrude is needed. I will explain about extrude in another time. Extract, I will show you extract in another time. And I will select the corner from this menu and I'll making some here. From here we click this arrow, black arrow, and select corner and element 1, element 2, and this one is and radius should be 30 millimeter like here, and this one is selected in this time. If I select this one color is changed from blue to orange, and if I change it, select this one color should be changed from blue to orange. And I will show you corner again, and this one and this one, and if I select this one and okay, this corner is generated, and if I select this one and this one, and if I select this one, then this one should be, and if I want to corner in along this line, then I'll select these two line and select this corner, then our corner is completed like here. And next one is connect curve. For explain connect curve. Connect curve means this function is to use to connect curves and curves. When clicked, the following definition window appears. Therefore, for explain it, I will make some connect line over here. Therefore, delete this one, and from XY plane, I will make some covered line from here, and profile, this one should be make and exit. Then if I select more line, I will make some another plane and make some another corner from here and make some different make start from profile and making some different line like here, between this one and this one. I will select connect curve and normal and point, first curve point and second curve point. And this one and this one should be, and if reverse direction, this is reversed like here. This is for our explanation of a connect curve, and for knowing about this, some explanation and some practice is needed. And next one is for about spline. For explain the spline, we should click many spline point. We should make some point. I will delete this one and select XY plane and go to sketch workbench and profile point by clicking is important, I think. Point by clicking, and exit the sketch workbench and select spline and point 1, point 2, point 3. Why is it illegal? Preview. Topological. Generate some spline from this button and select every point like here, and some spline should be making. And if you select close spline, then all spline is closed from this bottom also. And if you delete some point, then spline should be if we select replace point, then if I select this one to this one, topological error is needed making. Therefore, I will make some spline again, and if I choose if I generate some another point, and if I select double clicking it and deleted this point, replace point, cancel. I will make some point again and double clicking it and replace point 3, 2. Topological error. select it and remove point can be, if I select this one and remove point, then curve is changed like this. Okay, that's all that I want to say in this session, and I will, in the next time, I will explain for about helix from this button like here, and helix is a very funny things. Therefore, I will show you this one more specifically in the next time. Uh, Thank you for listening this lecture, and let's just see another session in the future. Thank you.